tail biting can be a problem in the pig industry because it causes injury and pain to the pigs, and it can result in economic losses for farmers because where the tail's been bitten, it can be infected. Based on a review paper which I wrote back in 2015 with Danish partners, actually, we identified that there was some promising evidence that there are behavioural changes which occur in advance of the damaging part of a tail biting outbreak. And those behavioural changes have the potential to work as early warning signs. And it occurred to me that a technological approach using 3D cameras might be a possible way to automatically measure tail posture. We just place one camera per pen above the feeder, and so it doesn't actually capture the full pen, just an area around the feeder. But that turned out to be enough to measure tail posture and to predict tail biting. And the way the technology works is that it's so-called time of flight. So it basically sends a tiny pulse of light out from the camera and then measures the time it takes to return. So if something's close to the camera, that beam of light will come back more quickly than if something's further away. But now we're working to roll this out to try and develop it from the proof of concept stage into a prototype. And that means we need to collect data from lots more farms, so farms where the pigs are docked have docked tails, and farms where the pigs have long tails, and lots of different systems, so different types of flooring and group sizes, to try and cover the typical range of farms that you see in the UK and across Europe and the world. As well as the technological approach to early warning signs which we've been looking at in this work, I think the sort of immediate take-home message for farmers from this project would be that they can look by eye at their pigs and see if they can see these changes. So looking to see whether lower tails become more prevalent in the pen, as well as looking for signs of tail damage or tail biting itself, like bloody tails. We also found that very close inspection of the tails, looking to see if there's like early signs of damage or injury, could work as an early warning sign, because we were able to predict outbreaks based on our detailed tail scoring. So when our staff went into their pens and looked very closely at tails, you could see little nicks, little signs of damage, changes to the tail, which suggested that tail biting might be about to start and might be about to really take off.